Tonight, a photo is raising questions about one of the jurors who convicted Derek Chauvin of murder.
The picture shows Brandon Mitchell at the March on Washington back in August wearing a shirt that says, "Get your knee off our necks." WCCO Susan-Elizabeth Littlefield found out why some say it could cause problems in court and why Mitchell says he didn't do anything wrong.
It was huge to get people getting voter turnout. So being a part of that and being able to attend, the same location where Martin Luther King gave his speech was a historic moment.
The August 2020 March on Washington was planned to recommit to Dr. King's dream. George Floyd's family was there too to speak out against police violence.
I'm marching for George, for Brianna.
Brandon Mitchell told WCCO he was there to take part in a voter registration rally, not to protest, and that he was an unbiased juror.
Either way, I was going to D.C. for this event, even if George Floyd was still alive.
It just happened to be that was a t-shirt she had because it was in 2020.
Correct.
And there was nothing that she did that would have been interpreted as a protest to George Floyd or something like that.
Not even close. Not even close.
We spoke with the law professor about what that photo could mean for the case.
Did the juror speak the truth, or alternatively, did the juror say something untrue during questioning? But the other thing to keep in mind is, did the lawyers do their job in investigating the juror?
Before being selected, Mitchell filled out this questionnaire. He said he had never attended protests over police brutality in Minnesota or beyond. He also answered a question on Black Lives Matter, saying Black lives just want to be treated as equals and not killed or treated in an aggressive manner simply because they are Black.
And if he had been asked about it and he tried to hide it, that could be an issue. But at this point, I don't see any evidence that he tried to hide it.
The defense does now have the right to ask Judge Cahill to go back and question Mitchell. If that happens, the judge could decide if the verdict will stand.
It's really hard to overturn a conviction, and courts are especially reluctant to interfere with the jury deliberation process.
Susan-Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO 4 News.
Derek Chauvin's attorney did not comment on the situation. Prosecutors also told WCCO they had no comment.